All right, I always got people asking me how to put their dream mats into an existing box that's out there in the market. Of course, here at Dream Mat, we mostly sell the mats, but we also sell some boxes. But here's an existing Sluice box. We actually had some people that were asking about this box, how to put a mat in it. And it's got this existing clip in it right now that I'll take out. All right, and we have a guy that actually, one of the guys that was really wanting to conquer this is a professor, and he 3D prints this little clip that you can put in here that basically allows for the Dream Mat to basically be held in. So you can see that it just clips down, the little grippers grip the sides, and you got like a little riffle, and it holds the guy in there. So that was slick. So we're actually going to be selling these on our website to help people out that want to retrofit a box like this. And then also I showed basically, I took one of the existing clips and I modified it with the Dremel. And so I kind of did the same thing, modified it, and you can pop. So if you have the box and you don't want to buy the clip, you can put in your modified clip and set that guy in there. There we go. All right. So here we got that guy sitting down. It kind of clips right behind the riffle, holds it in. So it stays in there nice and tight. Got a little riffle here. Sweet. So this guy here also can be used to put in one of our other mats, which is a finishing mat, micro mat. It actually has got two clips, so you could actually have it continue flat for a longer ways for this mat. But this clip also does a good job of holding down the mat just on the tips. Got a little riffle there, holds it in. There it is. That's it, guys. It's just basically all we're doing is showing is people that, we get a lot of people that say, hey, I want to put my mat in here, so we're just trying to outbox the box and get the mat in there for folks who are Dream Mat fans and have a box like this and make it happen. So there it is. You're a Dream Mat fan, you got the box, you want to put your favorite Dream Mat in there. There it is. Got that guy. Boing. So we got the professor's clip, which fits a little nicer. There it is, guys. Go get it.